Hi guys, it's Max from HiOnAndroid.com, where we get hot on Android every day. Anyway, over the weekend I had the pleasure of installing a Wi-Fi app-controlled Orbit B-Hyve on my mom's house. It's a Wi-Fi enabled sprinkler controller that you can control from anywhere in the world. Now my mom travels often to Korea, and she always have problems with the sprinkler. Sometimes you want to turn it on, turn it off. Anyway, I had the pleasure of installing it, and it works really well. Let's go ahead and take a look. Hi guys, so installing this is really easy. You just gotta find the COM. Alright, this is pretty much the negative, common, and then everything else goes to each of your sprinklers. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 stations hooked up, common hooked up. Other than that, you just hook up the AC power. That's pretty much it. That's the inside of it. I gotta just mount it on the wall, close it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and see how it does. Alright, so this is all set up. Pretty much done. I was able to set up everything on the app, so I never actually even have to use a control panel. Hi guys, so I've been playing with it for about 24 hours. This app is amazing. It's the B-Hyve app. So once connected, sign up an account with B-Hyve. Basically, you can control your sprinkler from all over the world. Also, auto update the weather. So if it's forecasted to rain tomorrow, it'll automatically shut down your sprinklers. You can also set rain delay. All right, which is really nice. You can see I set up a bunch of zones. Let's say you want to turn on your sprinklers. So let's say you want to turn on sprinklers. This one is front lawn, front left lawn. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. You can also adjust the time here. Go ahead and turn it on. And watch this. Oops, there we go. And watch the sprinklers turn on there. Boom shakalaka. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and wait till fully turns on. And boom, look at that. Very nice way to control all your sprinklers. Let's say you want to stop. Hit the stop button. And boom, shakalaka. That was very nice. Alright, so you can also make programs. You can make a bunch of programs. For example, let me go ahead and edit this. So you can set the amount of time, when to start. You can copy these programs so you don't have to start over. Alright, you can see the forecast for the next few weeks, even. Base your schedule based on that. You can even get notifications for rain delay, freeze warning, all kind of cool stuff. Let's say you lose your phone, because everything is kept at B-Hyve, you're going to be able to access all of your watering schedule, all of that stuff. Also the zones you can go ahead and rename. You can go ahead and test it out and see which one it is. But really awesome. Took me about 20 minutes to upgrade the sprinkler system. And I highly recommend this product for anyone who has a big yard, has sprinklers that you want to control. Perhaps you travel often. And the price is not that bad either. It's $99 for the 6 station and $108 for the 12 station. So very reasonable price. You're going to be able to internet enable all your sprinklers. No more going to your control box and turning them on manually. Sometimes you want to check your sprinklers, make sure they're working correctly, and you're going back and forth to your control box. If you have a big yard, that could be a big hassle. With the app, I was able to check all the sprinklers while on the lawn. That I thought was really cool. Anyway, I know a lot of you don't have a lawn, probably don't even have a house, but for those of you who do, definitely take a look at this product, and it may help you out in automating all your home lawn, garden, watering needs. Have a great day, and as always, stay